A soft itch travels across Maya's tiny nose, waking her with a twinkle and a curious, playful pout. She taps the nose and bursts into a sneeze, launching into giggles as the world tilts into a gentle tumble. In a cozy nursery, Maya's pastel onesie rides a new idiom like under the weather, guiding the tiny misadventure. She rolls onto the soft carpet, discovers a rattling toy, and treats the stumble as a game of brave balance. By the end, the room glows warmer, and Maya whispers the idiom aloud, promising more tiny explorations tomorrow.